Hello astronomers! Have you noticed that a modern astrophotography setup is made up of many different devices? Great! And as you know, we offer complete solutions for a wide range of telescopes. When you want to control these devices from your Eagle or any Windows computer, the first thing you need to do is install the driver correctly. It's an easy step, but it's essential to do it properly before using your Sesto Senso, Esatto, Giotto or Alto. So let's take a look at how to properly install the drivers for any PrimaLuceLab device. In most cases, the first time you plug your device to the USB port of your Eagle or standard Windows computer, it will automatically detect the device and install the correct system driver. If this happens, you'll find it listed in Device Manager under Ports, COM and LPT with the COM port number. That's the port you'll use to control it through our Play software or a third-party astronomy application. However, if Windows doesn't install the driver automatically, you'll see a yellow exclamation mark next to the device. That means you need to manually install the driver. But don't worry, it's simple. Let me show you how. First, go to the Download section of our website and download the software package for the device you are installing. Once downloaded, unzip the file. Then open Device Manager and locate CP2102N USB to UART bridge controller under Other Devices. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for driver software, then navigate to the folder where you extracted the downloaded package. Click Next and follow the instructions to complete the driver installation. When the installation is complete, Windows will confirm that the driver is successfully installed. Now the device will appear under Ports, COM and LPT and is ready to use. And that's it! Your PrimaLuceLab device is now ready to be used with Play or any compatible third-party software through ASCOM drivers. Just make sure to select the correct COM port that Windows assigns when you connect the device. And remember, you won't have to repeat this process next time. Windows will remember your driver installation and automatically load it every time you boot your Eagle or standard Windows computer. For more content that will help you to explore the universe like a pro, subscribe to our channel and clear skies!